Now geographical explanation. An important component of the living world on the earth is plants. For the production and growth of plants, soil is indispensable. Indispensable means very necessary. They provide supports to plants. Obviously, without soil, nothing is possible. Vegetation is abundant in the regions that have fertile soil. Example, the equatorial region. However, in the areas where the soil are not fertile, vegetation is scanty. Example, in desert area, the vegetation is very low. And where there is a shortage of soil, vegetation is not seen only. Example, in the polar areas, everything is covered with the ice, polar areas. Though favorable climate, availability of abundant water and sunlight are necessary for the growth of a plant. So, water, sunlight are very important for the growth of plant. This alone are not sufficient. Fertile soil favor plants growth. So, not only water and sunlight, but soil is also very important for the growth of plant. When man realized that sowing of seeds in the soil leads to the growth of plants and yield crops, he started using soil as a resource. Gradually, he realized that the fertile soil along the river beds give higher yields. So, nearby the river sides, the agriculture is grown very nicely. Hence, he settled in the valley civilization. Example, the Indus civilization. You are learning this. You have learned that in history subject also. Indus civilization. For the growing population, man started producing greater amount of food crops. He realized that crop production and prosperity in agriculture mainly depends on fertility of soil and the optimum availability of water. So, for the agriculture purpose, fertility of soil and water are very important. Hence, there emerged competition among people to discover fertile lands and settle there. So, they started settling there only. Later, for getting richer harvest, he made efforts to increase the fertility of soil. In the process, use of different fertilizers became a practice. So, to increase the fertility of soil, they started using the different fertilizers, which led to record agriculture productions. Food crops, fruits and flowers are produced according to the type of soil. To grow the students, like food, fruits and flowers, type of soil is very important. Food crops like jawar and bajra are produced in the rigorous soil of Maharashtra plateau, while soils in Konkan, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka region produce rice. So, based on the type of soil, the agriculture is being carried out. In Madhya Pradesh, potato is cultivated in regions where the soils are well drained. The local agriculture determines the staple diet of the people. The region where soils are not arable need to fulfill their food requirements through imports. So, where the soil is not there, so they need to fulfill their needs through the import only. For example, countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, etc. fulfill their requirements by importing food from China, India and USA. So, all these countries they do the importing of foods like from China, India and the USA. The regions where soils are fertile can be self-reliant as far as food production is concerned. Hence, human settlements get concentrated in such areas at a later date. For example, sugar factories developed in the sugarcane producing area, fruit processing industries fruit processing industries develop in the area of fruit production, etc. This region later show the sign of development. So students, I have completed what are the factors necessary for soil formation. In next lecture, we will start with the next topic. Okay. So this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.